Let's talk a little bit about organization. Chances are you've probably lost something that you saved on the computer at some point in time, or you didn't pay attention to where it went. So let's talk a little bit about how to make sure that your things stay organized. You're going to use these computers all year long, and you're going to have a lot of files that you create by the end of the year. And you want to be able to find the file that you need when you need it quickly without having to spend minutes and minutes trying to search and find what it is you want. So the first thing I can do to help keep myself organized is to create folders. And so if I'm on my desktop here, I can either go to the File menu and say New Folder. Another way to make folders is to simply right-click on the desktop. So if I take both fingers and click on the desktop with two fingers, a little menu pops up and I can choose New Folder. It creates the folder and I can just type in the name and hit Return, and that folder is created. It's a good idea to make folders for all of your subjects. So I could make a folder for each one of the classes that I am taking. Let's make a math folder and hit Return. If I made a mistake on the name, if I simply click on a folder to select it and hit the Return key, then I can go ahead and rename it if I made a typo. Folders are a great way to keep yourself organized. If you need to make folders within folders, I can do that too. If I open up my science folder here, I could also right-click inside that folder and make another new folder and make folders for things like homework or tests or individual subfolders within that main folder. Right. Another view of this folder when I'm in here is I also have a series of buttons across the top. These are just different ways to look at the information within a folder. So for example, I have a folder called Applications. There's a whole bunch of different applications in that folder. If I go and look at this first button, this is what they call Icon View. The next button is what they call List View, which is an alphabetical list. The next one is Column View, which works good if you have subfolders that you can see what's inside those folders. And then the last option is what they call Cover Flow, which gives you a little preview of everything that you click on in that folder.